Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World, and welcome to another Fun Day Sunday watch face review. It's time to get animated. Let's do this. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another Fun Day Sunday watch face review, and we got another awesome watch face to check out by my man Digital Tech. Digital Tech got down on this watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called Big Numbers S Tracker. It's a 24-hour watch face, which you'll be happy about that one. And it is animated. As you can see, this watch face is definitely nice. I like the work he put in on this one. Simple, but yet it stands out. Now, in the always on mode, it has a really good look as well. Now, when it's on, I'm thinking this should be pretty much battery efficient as well, right? Now, if you look at the top, you're gonna get your heart rate beating. At the top, you got a nice red heart that's beating as well, and it gives you info on your heart rate, right? Now, when you come down, you will get battery info, floors climb, your goal completed so far, your steps, and your step info. Of course, I haven't been nowhere today. Today is Sunday. Now, you get your battery percentage. You also come down, and then you get a nice legible digital time that really stands out. You get your day and your day, calories burned at the bottom, and miles walked or ran. And I'm thinking this developer did a great job, and it is interactive, so you can tap on certain parts of the watch face and it will bring you into certain applications. I'm thinking the developer definitely did his thing with this watch face. So hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Are you gonna go download this watch face? I think it's an awesome look for a Saturday or a Sunday, or for every day when you're on your run, on your walk. The developer definitely put in work on this one. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe so you can get notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.